trying out this new fabric markers. Let's see. Okay. Both are empty. Okie doke. So here are the markers. They're like crayons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So in the pack, you get 21 pieces. You get 2 pens. So how do you do this? Let's see. Is there any instructions? None. So maybe we'll just have to figure it out. Maybe we'll just do it this way. What do you think? Well, then it will fall off. Maybe we should open it from this side, from the top. I think we should open it. There you go. Yep. Came off. And pull this thing out, and we insert the markers like that. There you go. Put it back in. Put this thing back in, and then here you have it. You want to pull it back, kind of press it down and pull it. Okay, you don't want to extend it too much because it will break. That's a good length, and as you can see, it's kind of tapered on both sides, so it will make a thin line. Let's do the other one too. Use your nails to kind of pry it open. There we go. Take this thing out. Insert one of these. Push it gently so it won't break. And there you go. Put it back in. And put this thing back in here too. And there you have it. Works fine. Okay, the rest of the chalk markers or fabric markers are inside. We have 19 pieces here, plus 2 in this. Got 21. Nicely packed. I like it. And let's see how it works. It works fine. Let's see. What if we write a name, since this is the inside part? Maybe we could write a name. But let's see. Can you see that? See the line right there? It makes a nice crisp line. About here. Yep. It's good. I think it's good. I like it. You don't have to sharpen it, and you just push it down if it's getting small, and it maintains its thin lines. as you write. But the problem is they're all white. So if your fabric is white, you'll have a hard time looking for the lines. I wish they have different colors.